Hi. So we have here a jar contains a mixture of 175 ml of water and 700 ml of alcohol. Now Gopal takes out 10% of the mixture and substitutes it with water of the same amount. The process is repeated again. So process is done a total of 2 times. The percentage of water in the mixture is now how much? Fine. So we know the final quantity of the component that is getting diluted. Now what is getting diluted here? We are adding water, right? So if we are adding water, water's concentration will increase, but alcohol's concentration will decrease. So alcohol is getting diluted. So the final quantity of the component which is getting diluted is initial quantity of that component into 1 minus the fraction that is being removed raised to the power number of times it is being removed, right? So the final quantity of alcohol will be the initial quantity of alcohol, which is 700 into 1 minus, what is the fraction that is being removed? 10%. 10% is effectively 1/10 and it is being removed twice. So this becomes 700 into 10 minus 1 is 9 by 10 square. So 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. So this becomes 7 times of 81, which is 567 ml. So the final quantity of alcohol is 567 ml. So final quantity of water will be how much? You see, the total quantity of the mixture will remain same. Initially the total quantity was 875 ml. So the final quantity will also be 875 ml. Hence the quantity of water will be 875 minus 567. So this comes out to be 308 ml. Final quantity of water will be 308 ml. So the concentration of water finally, what we need to calculate is the percentage of water now. So percentage of water finally is 308 ml of water out of total 875 ml into 100%. Okay. So this goes by 25 4 times, this goes by 25 3 times is 75, 125 which is 5. So here we have 308 into 4 is 1232 divided by 35. So this approximately will come out to be 35.2%. Approximate concentration of water is 35.2%. Hence option C is the right answer here. Okay. One more way of doing the same question is, let's calculate the concentration of alcohol initially. Alcohol is 700 ml out of total 875. Right? So initially concentration of alcohol will be, this goes by 25 4 times, this goes by 25 35 times, 700 by 35 is 20, 20 into 4 is 80%. Initial concentration of alcohol is 80%, right? Now if 10% is being taken out, the alcohol concentration will reduce by 10%. 10% of both alcohol and water will be taken out, right? But water is added, alcohol is not added. So alcohol's concentration will be reduced by 10% when the replacement is done the first time. So 80 reduced by 10% becomes 72%. And then when it is repeated, another 10% is taken out, so it will reduce by another 10%. So it will become 72 minus 7.2. So this will become 0.8, 64.8%, right? So final concentration of alcohol becomes 64.8%. This is the concentration of alcohol finally. So what will be the final concentration of water? It will be 100 minus 64.8, which comes out to be 35.2%. Final concentration of water will be option C, 35.2%. Thank you.